Do you have to attend a mediation proceeding? Well, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. The question of whether or not you need to attend a mediation has more to do with practical realities than it does with legal obligation. Unless the court orders you to attend a mediation, you're at liberty to not attend if that's what you want to do. But you got to understand the purpose of mediation. In most cases, the court will order mediation because it wants the parties to take a good shot, a real stab at trying to resolve your issues. Now, the question becomes, can those issues be resolved without you being present? What happens if something comes up and there's a question of, okay, well, you want this, you can have that thing that you really want, but it requires you to make a concession on something else. Your presence might be required in order to do that. Now, you could say, well, gee, I can be called on the phone. You know what? You get people down there, things start to happen. When you have people in remote environments, sometimes deals don't get done. It is really important to the process that the parties, if they can, they should be present. This is one of the reasons, by the way, why the court, despite the fact that the state court administrator's office likes courts to try to be remote as much as possible, why some judges are telling them they want people in, because they have realized that when people are remote, the likelihood that things are going to get settled is diminished. On the other hand, when people are there and they're told, go out in the hallway and work it out, otherwise in 10 minutes, call your first witness, you know what happens? Things get settled. It's the same thing with mediation. Do you have to attend? Well, if the court hasn't ordered you to, no, I guess, you can send your lawyer there, but you're not likely to have the same resolution possibilities as you would if you were present. Your presence is crucial to the case moving forward, and it could very well be the case that without it, things might get stuck in the mud. It could also be the case that depending on certain circumstances, your presence will only impede the process. I can think of some rare scenarios where that might be true, but generally speaking, the presence of the clients helps out in getting things moved along. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.